Hey, if you like this channel and want to help others grow just like you, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment below to let us know your favorite part, and share it with your family and friends. Enjoy.
So here we go. I'm gonna let it loop around, and we're gonna catch it on the next time around. Okay? Remember to be relaxed, because the more tense you are, the harder it's gonna be for you. Okay? Here we go. Hey, welcome back to the Gospel Music Training Center. This is JP. Jonathan Powell, thanks for tuning in to another video tutorial. You're watching part 3 for the song Leap. And I had to break this lesson up into 3 parts simply because this song has a lot involved. And I really wanted to make sure that you've mastered each and every single piece that I taught before you tried to move on to the next part. And that's the key thing to getting better, is really doing things at an unconscious level, to the point where you don't have to think about it. So if you're at this lesson, part 3, make sure that you've mastered the intro. And I'm talking about doing it without even really thinking about it. Now, your church may or may not do the intro, but I decided to teach it anyway, just for those of you who wanted to actually learn it. It's quite a challenge, some different syncopations and different things going on. But if you want to check that out, go to Leap Intro, full band approach. And then we also covered in part 1, I would say like the first quarter of the song or so forth. So this is part 3, and I'm going to try to get through the rest of the song, okay? So for the sake of continuity, we're going to be in the key of D flat major. I'm going to go over the scale and the number system. So D flat is the 1. E flat is the 2. F is the 3. G flat is the 4. A flat is the 5. B flat is the 6. C is the 7. And we're back at the 1, D flat. So that's our scale and number system. So I just wanted to briefly go over that, just for those of you who may not have seen part 1 and part 2. And if you're looking at this right now, we're in the middle of the song. We're not starting from the beginning. Okay? So what we're going to do is pick it up from where we left off. I'm going to be using stems. GospelStems.com is coming to you very soon. I'm excited about it because you're going to have different templates to also practice with, as well as perform in church with as well. So be on the lookout for that. Coming soon. It's a lot of work that we're putting into making this very special. GospelStems.com coming to you very soon. And you're going to pretty much get a glimpse into how you can practice with this lesson. And this is also just a great approach to how you should really practice and loop things and play things over and over repetitively until you get it at an unconscious level. All right, here we go. So the next part sounds like this. Here we go. So that's the 1. Okay, then we go to the 4, then turn around. Here we go. Okay, so that's how it sounds. It's just the 1, then we go to the 4. So that rhythm right there, what I'm doing is I'm hitting an A flat octave to a B flat octave, and then to a D flat octave. So then from there, I go bum, 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 and then bum, bum. So I pretty much hit the D flat in rhythm in octaves. Bum, 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 okay? And then the left hand, for the most part, this is what your left hand is going to have to practice. Bum, 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 bum. So the crazy thing about this is that the rhythms are different in both hands. So your left hand is going to go bum, 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 bum. So 1, let me see if I can even count this. But it's more choppy. Okay? So the right hand is going to go, the chords are simple. There's 2 different chords that are going on, but they're just inverted. So we got a D flat minor chord and an E flat minor chord. Okay? And what's happening is you start off with A flat, D flat, and E. Use G as a grace note. Then go to G flat, B flat, and E flat. Then go, which is the E flat minor chord, then go to the D flat minor in first inversion, E, A flat, D flat. So let's just work on that, okay? So let's just get the first part. Ba, ba, ba. Just do that. Ba, 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 ba. Okay? Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. So do this over and over. You could do it slower. 1, 2, 3. Ba, 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 ba. Okay? Till you get it down. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Okay? Ba, 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 ba. Now the next part, add this. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. And if you need to just practice the right hand by itself, do that. 1, 2, 3. Imagine you're doing the left hand. Ba, da, 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 bum, bum, bum. Ba, ba, da, da, bum, bum. Just imagine you doing it. Ba, ba, da, da, bum, bum, bum. That way you just focus on the right hand. Bum, bum, bum. Ba, da, 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 bum, da, da. Okay? Ba, da, 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 bum, da, da. You want to get that feel. Ba, da, da, da. Bum, 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 okay? Okay? One more time. So now we're gonna go to an E flat minor chord, which is E flat, G flat, and B flat, and then to an E. Do you like what you see on this channel? Do you want to help us to grow? Then do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any more of the great content we got coming your way.